Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Dear students, we will discuss predators today. So let's start today's video. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all life on earth. Plants use this energy to make food. This energy is transferred when the plants get consumed by other organisms and eventually this energy makes its way up the food chain. Now we have its introduction. Predation is the interaction between prey and a predator, where the energy flows from one organism to the other. The predator is the organism that feeds on other organisms called prey. You can see here in this picture. Now we have to know what are predators. So predators are organisms that hunt and kill other organisms for food. The organisms that are consumed by the predators are known as the prey. Predators can be carnivores and omnivores. Lions, tigers, sharks and snakes are all are predators. Predators can also fall prey to other large animals depending on where they fall in the food chain. Example, a shark is a predator to a mouse but prey to a hawk. Types of predators. Predators can fall under the following categories. One is carnivores. Carnivores predators kill and eat their prey. They include large animals such as the lion and tiger. Each carnivore has its own mode of feeding, from sea otters feeding on sea stars to blue whales feeding on zooplankton and small marine animals. Now herbivores. These include animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, and deer. They consume plants and plant products. Now we have parasites. These predators live in the body of the host and derive nutrients from its body for survival and reproduction. In this, the host suffers a loss of energy, but it's not always killed. Predator adaptations. Predators adapt in the following ways in order to attack and catch their prey. Number one, the predators are use a camouflage that helps them to hide from their prey so that they can make a sudden attack. This also prevents them from any dangerous defense mechanism a predator might have. Number two, their mechanical adaptations such as sharp teeth, claws, thick skin, and faster speed and superior strength help them to take over the prey. Number three, the chemical adaptations include venom, toxins, and poison to kill the prey. They have also involved chemical adaptations that protect them from the chemical defenses of the prey. For example, monarch butterflies feed on the milkweed plant that contains poison. They are evolved such that they are not affected by it. Now we have predator examples. Following are some of the examples of predators. Large predators. Large predators have special adaptations to kill their prey. Polar bears, killer whales, and great white sharks are some of the large predators found on Earth. The polar bear largely feed on seals. The killer whales and eat seals. sea lions, fish, etc. The great white shark is the most dangerous ocean predator and feed on almost every organism. Small predators. Small predators do not cause mass destruction. For example, sea stars feed largely on various types of shellfish. The ladybug is the smallest predator that feeds on aphids. Other predators include lions, tigers, bears, wolves, leopards, dogs, snakes, crocodiles, etc. So guys, I hope you have learned this topic very well. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.